Laguna, Honorable Nessa Aranas, Honorable Mary Jane De La Cruz, and Honorable Franklin Mabanag. Our barangay officials. The Nanabay School Head, Nam Alvin Silagi, together with our region advisor, Ma'am Rosaleta C. Corpus. Our three advisor and tender advisor, Ma'am Divine Tapio and Ma'am Jacqueline Antiber. Our greater advisor, Ma'am Virginia Calanas, together with our subject teacher, Ma'am Maribeth Migayon. Okay, let's acknowledge the school heads. Mr. Amanda Bisek from John Ria Moro from San Juan Borja, Minanda. Benigilio Earl John Manunday, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Manunday. Calderon Macario Junior Gonzalo, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Calderon. Castro Ayan Cañete, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Castro. Garcenis Russell, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Garcenis. Juanico Jeric Bansal, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Juanico. Lavendina Sherin J. Sikang, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Lavendina. Naranan John Jeric Flores, Tapar Eduardo Banaag, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Tapar. Let us acknowledge the arrival of our school principal, Sir Judy W.O., Sir J. Vendan, and school rep Ansberg Tacolada. Nakadaling at agi sa ito nga, sir. Daling agi, sir, kaya nakita naman inyong kaaniyag-yod ba? Terpenas Meljon Dalora. Indag Jake De La Cruz, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Indag. Adjung, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Adjung. Baldomero Jane Rose Mabanag, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Baldomero.
Puso sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, dulang ka ng magiging sa manlulupig. Di ka pasisiil sa dagat at bundok, sa siway at sa langit mong bagaw. May dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim, lupa ng araw ng walhati pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya dapat may mga api ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Bayang maging
Okay, please be seated. At this juncture, we will hear a words of welcome from one of our graduating people, at the same time our former SPG President. Let's clap our hands together to Jude Biondag as he gives to us the welcome address.
Kumpya ilabong dilunan ta. Mayong hapon kanatong tanan.
Mayong hapon.
Good afternoon to each and everyone.
Good afternoon.
To our active and ever-gorgeous division guest, our Education Program Supervisor in MAPI, Dr. Melinda L. Tangali. Our most energetic and promising District Supervisor of Domingan 1, Dr. Marigold A. Candia. Ably represented by Sir Joseph Ramel Abisig of Juan Herminanda Elementary School, Sir Jovi Dagook of Sinote Elementary School, Sir Francis D. Gumban of Salvador Elementary School, Sir William Oro of Paliran Elementary School, Sir Ansbert Pacolaba of Guntingan Elementary School, Ma'am Juby Bilakaol of Bagong Jerusalem Elementary School, our loving and ever-caring schoolmate of Manlaba Elementary School, Mrs. Alvilvin C. Ladi, our very supportive barangay officials under the leadership of our very own Barangay Captain, Honorable Noel P. Albo. To the entire PTA officials headed by PTA President Efren P. Bacos. To the community inhabitant of Barangay Manlabay in general, our honored guests, my dear teachers, ever-supportive parents, kind-hearted friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is my distinct honor and privilege to welcome you all on these 39 graduation exercises bring up by the team, Unity in Diversity, Quality Education for All or pagkakaisa sa pagkakaiba-iba, kalidad na edukasyon para sa lahat. Their valuable presence, sir, is all we need to make this affair a memorable and solemn occasion to celebrate. Ladies and gentlemen, I repeat, you are all welcome on these 39 graduation exercises. Your valuable presence, sir, is thank you, and may God bless us all.
Okay, thank you so much, Joe. Moving on is the presentation of the candidates for graduation. So to do the honor of presenting this year, may we have now on stage a very pleasant and beautiful Manlabay Schoolhead, Ma'am Alvilvin C. Lagi, and to be followed by the DepEd representative, Dr. Melinda Labisig Pangalan, to do the acceptance and confirmation of the graduates.
Good afternoon, everyone. Being the schoolhead of Manlabay Special Science Elementary School, I have the honor to present to you, ma'am, these 27 candidates for graduation, of whom 15 are boys and 12 are girls, who satisfactorily completed the basic education program with the K-12 curriculum. Here they are, ma'am, ready for your certification and confirmation. By virtue of the authority vested upon me by the Department of Education, through our school's division superintendent, Dr. Maria Lisa R. Tabilon, yours truly, Dr. Melinda Tangalin, I hereby accept and confirm you as graduates this 3rd day of April 2019.
Congratulations. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Now let us lend our ears and open our hearts to the inspirational message to be given to us by a great school leader and empowered woman, no other than the Education Program Supervisor and VAPI, Dr. Melinda L. Pangalen. Let's welcome her with a resounding round of applause.
Istorbo ko sa electric fan. I'm happy to be home. Ay, lara mo na ako. Ay, na tayo. No? So, my salute to the barangay officials, headed by Barangay Captain Honorable Noel Albo, to the PTA President, Mr. Efren Batos, Away-Taway, okay, to the officers of the PTA who are around, to the school head of Manlabay Elementary School, Mrs. Alwalwin Lagi. Now introduce to you our school heads of the different schools of the Mingaguan District. I know nga you want to know them, kaya reshuffled na ni sila. Ako gani, di na po ko kadumdum nila. Where they are assigned now. So, of Sinote Elementary School, Mr. Jovi Dagook, the principal. Paila-ila job kay, unya damlag, ikaw na rin ba pwede niya? 5 years after, shuffle na naman. Or 3 years ba kaya? So, dapat inyong ila-ilaho na sila. So, the principal of Salvador Elementary School, Mr. Francis J. Gumban. From Juan Herminanda Elementary School, Principal Joseph Ramil Labisig. My brother. Pareha mignawon? Dila kami layo o ginta, no? I'm the eldest and he is the youngest. Nya udo mi kay suon. Ay upat sa tunga. At least wa mi nangatigulan. At least, no? From Gumpingan Elementary School, the school head, Mr. Ansbert Pakulaba. From Paliran Elementary School, the school head, John William Oro. Honored guest, na din sexy katong guest speaker, teaching staff, mga teachers, mga gwapita, hangtod karon or paglubad. To the graduates, proud parents, barangay community members, good afternoon, everyone. Maayong hapon sa tanan. Maayong hapon. Sa today, gupya gandaw. Mo ba to? Pya gandaw. Okay. So, my dear graduates, I know you are so happy this afternoon. Kisa wa malipay. Kaya itong lipayon. To the parents also, I know that you are so proud with the achievement of your children. The teachers, of course, the community members, and that includes the barangay officials, the PTA officials, our partners, all of us, we are so proud of this group of young graduates today. Because this is the fruit of our sacrifices, our joint efforts shared just to provide our young learners. So to this, let us all clap our hands. Mamakpak pa. Ato ni silang pakpakan. Iban atong mga kalipay. So mga graduates, young graduates, may I request you to go to your parents, hug with a kiss, and say thank you. Basig nalimot mo.
At from day to day, magpasalamat ta sa atong parents, especially today. Okay? Can you go now to your parents? Sige, pangitain yung mama o asa karon. Sana yung mama, doon pasalamati. Dapat jud ta mahag sa atong parents now. Why? By June, you'll be going out. Magkinahinay na silang kalayo ninyo, mga dinikanan. Ay high school na. Wala may high school sa Manlabay. So you have to go to Domingag National High School or to Lower Paquito U National High School. So medyo layo na. After high school, you will go to college. Good if you'll enjoy in the GX. Ay dool na. But if you have to go out to other places to continue their studies, sugod na silang palayo nato. Pag-graduate, magtrabaho. Pag-trabaho, maminyo. Pag-kaminyo, samot. Ilisan pa sa ilang asawag bana. So karon, mauna nga, nice to be with. Ibuhos na to atong pagbati karon during their elementary years. Maugid na sila. That's the time we really need our support. Nanginahanglan gina sila sa atong pagtabang, pagsuporta, pag-tutor, tanan. And if you had given all this to them during elementary, pag high school nila, medyo libre na ta. Pag college, libre-libre na ta. Gaan-gaan na atong responsibilidad, but then, magkabugat ang bulsa. Ang bulsa na po'y nagkabugat, ang dughan nagkagaan. Hindi na sila sige, patabang na to, ma, tudluin ko sa assignment, ma, daghan ka ma, kung project, anak, dadag ko na. But, unsa ni bugat? Unsa na po'y ni bugat? Ang bulsa. Eh, dako man sila panginahanglan in terms of financial aspect. Ingon anak, mabali siya. So, my friends, you're looking at dari dako kani ilang kuan. Before I have to go further with my message, I would like to express my congratulations to Manlabay Elementary School. Murag na ikasal diri. Ay malimtan ra ba nimo? Thank you na din tawa pata ka-appreciate sa ilang mga efforts. Ay balo pa lang ko inani ang dating nag-gown sad ko. Nalapon ko sa guest speaker. Ama ni sila nagsaba, oy. Kaya nga, they are trying to invite me, really, higit pa balibad. Daw nga sige ko balibad, the program, tuana sa among balay. Pagtanaw na ko, halapat tayo dito kabalibad, ani. Because, actually, my assignment for this week, be in Dumalinaw and Tigbaw. Medyo malayo. Diba? Layo kayo. Pero God is good to me. Ay kusag po lumupad amang sakyanan. Nakaabot yun ko og 1:30. So thanks God. Praise God. Kaya giapas na ko ang time 1:30. From Dumalinaw, from Conventional to going here, pag-abot na ko, may stage ani. It's because 11 years na biya. Sa akong paghawa sa Domingag as district supervisor, pag-promote ako sa division office as division supervisor, 11 years na gyud. Unya, sa pagka-11 years na ko, nalimot ko gamay, kay stage nila, no? Na only to know, balik day ta sa karaan na stage. Ngayon ko lang, angat day ta dito. But, don't worry, bisag daan ang structure, challenge din sa mga barangay officials, PTA officials. Sa akong pagikan o pagbalik, maurag hapon, no? Ang nakanindot lang kay the teacher assigned in this school mga creative. Bisag kay nindot ang palibot basta kay ang stage mura gid tagtua sa gingharian. Mura tagtua sa Chandler. Ilag gid paningkamutan. So at least happy kay ko pag-abot kay sa kakapoy sa biyahe inspired ta pag-abot with the ambience of the venue. So friends, balik ka sa itong mensay, adi ka nilag nahuman ako, wala pa. My dear graduates, our theme, i-discuss ni siya sa atong invited guest speaker, but I have to say something about it. That, pagkakaisa sa pagkakaiba. Isod ba? Pagkakaisa ka na sa pagkakaiba. Usahon na ko ang nagkalain-lain. Unity in diversity, quality education for all. The theme itself speaks for the commitment of the DepEd people, the teachers, the school administrators. Because it turns out to the different cultures. They are pointing out to the different culture of the learners or the people in the community. So diverse as it is, we are to unite them all. Kami ang gipahasan to unite the different types of learners. To unite the people in the community where we are assigned. Ay lisod man po mga bata ra to gi-unite ang the people in the community are not united. How can we solicit support? So, dapat we should unite them. Ang question, how? Saan po nato pag-unite ni ma'am? Kalisod ba? In a group of learners, there are subanin. There are, dire wala na yung Muslim. Kung naaman, kuwanta ka ng mistiso. Then, Bisaya, Ilonggo, Ilocano, ang daming klaseng learners. Iba-iba. Coming from the different upbringings. Coming from the different orientation from the family or the community. Iba-iba, lisod kaayo. On the part of the teachers. But, being a teacher, where you are exposed to the different trainings, ana siya kay na-teacher na siya, ana siya kay nakapasar na siya licensure examination for teachers, pasado siya, so pasado siya sa tanan. Tamao siya na. How? We can unite them through quality delivery of learning, education. Kana ra gyud. How can we unite people? Through giving quality education. Mao na nga ang dakong budget na agyud sa education. Because we want all people, we want all learners learn how to read and how to write. We are now looking at giving good education because our purpose is to give education for all. We have so many programs just to cater the different types of learners. So, for the special children, we have the SPED class. Adto sila sa SPED para maatiman sila tarong. Matudluan sila in accordance in proper techniques in teaching. We have also the Alive for the Muslims. We have the iPad for the Lumad, the Subanin. So maraming programa because our purpose is to provide education to all learners. Sa pagkakaroon, sana walang bata nga di gyapon kabasa. Ano bang gikasal nga di kabasa? Gikasal nga naminyo nga di lang gyapon kabasa. Nakahinumdom hinong ko ana sa akong gipakasal.
Ay di man di wa man may kabalo nga di siya kabasa. So, dapat kung magpakasal ka, we have magkumpisal ka, magkumpisal. So, amo siya gitudluan, magkumpisal ka. Anaon ni mo ha, magkumpisal, ano. Dayon, gisulatan na mong pangadji. Ay, papadji, ano ba kaspare, human anak, mamanamo, magimay ka Maria, gisulatan. Usus, kaya di mo dahil siya kabasa. Ang among gisulat nga pangadji, gisulat sa bulsa. Pare na sayo dato. Awa siya nituban sa sugo sa pare. Na, ingon na basok. Karon naning kamot should be ngang tanan lumulupyo sa Manlabay Elementary School. Diri gyud ta isample nato. Nga wala nay dili kabasa. Ug natang kapitan diri akong tong pangutan-on. Pila ka buok ang dili kabasa sa Manlabay. Kay we have the ALS program. Napagud tay ALS para atong mga learners na do not like to come to school, informal education. Ganahan siya atong magklase nga, mintras magdaro, magsunod ang teacher, sa pagbase ang brad. Ani, anak. O manglaba ang asawa, ato po ditong teacher, magtapad po niyang ng laba, magsige po tutor. Nga na ang ALS, kapasensyosa. Para lang makabasa lang yun. And, doon na po na exam na if you can pass the exam, then you'll be automatically accelerated to the next grade level. Depende sa imong score. Wala nga, there are elementary, diretso college, na ako'y elementary high school. Depende sa imong, sa junior high baka siya mo pasok. It depends upon your score in the exam. So, daghan ka ito pamaagi, ang DepEd, ang gobyerno, just to provide education to all learners. As you have noticed, the Department of Education embraced so many changes. One is change in curriculum. Daghang nagyaw-yaw, nagbagutbot aning K-12 curriculum. It's because instead of 6 years in the elementary, nahimong 7. 4 years in secondary, nahimong 6. To sum up, 13 years in the basic education. Imagine ka na kunan o tulo ka tuig. So, pilang tayo na-save na to nga balon sa atong anak for 3 years. Na instead nga, 10 years ang kakasig hatag balon, na kunan tulo ka tuig, nadaghan na hinuong balon atong problemahon. But, if you have not understand the purpose, masuko ka. But if you have to analyze the purpose of embracing the K-12 curriculum is for your own good and for your own benefits. Why? Our young learners, upon enrolling high school, enrolling high school, mag-decide na magsugod, grade 7. You have to decide, imo nang tudluan, paghigugma. What skill, what strength, ang imong adtuan. So, naagyod, at least nga, mag-graduate mo high school, senior high school, grade 12, naagyod mo'y ma-learn nga expertise, even in dancing. Karon ang ako bitang contestant for dance sport, grade, ako na siyang nakitaan, gidevelop na ako siya, grade 3. Then grade 4. Karon grade 6 na siya. Ma-champion siya sa international competition. Champion siya sa Korea, na-champion siya sa Japan. Then siya atong entry for palarong pabansa. Top 5 siya. And this time, sa iyang pagka-grade 6, nag-earn na siya money. The couple now is earning money. Why? Sila na may tigtudloan ng nangiskwela diha sa studio sa Pagadian. Kanang duha ka batang gagmay, sila'y tigtudlo niya. Pila may tuition atong nag-enroll. So naa na sila'y income. Nakamo mo na inyong hunaw-naon. Grade 6 mo karon, grade 7, unsa may inyong ganahan? Manicure.
Kanang manicure, pedicure, makatawa ka na. Pero, kung ato nang tinudon, you can earn income. Ribbon, hair coloring, kay mao ni mga babang gusto magpaputi, kanunay. Why gusto mo itom? O di, tunan nyo na, ang saan pagputi aning mga itom. So, pag-graduate ninyo college, naana mo na nga skill, kadang mga buhok nga giuban, ang saan na pagpaitom, ang saan na pagpagwapa, makamao mo ana, then you will earn money. So, by enrolling college, di na gyud kay mo mga yung allowance sa inyong parents. That you have your own income. Na naman may income to support your studies in college. So, mga parents, ayaw nag-goal ang additional 2 years sa senior high school. So, kapoy-kapoy lang na. Naapay grade 1 na magsugod tag binisaya. Unsa naman gawing gobyerno? Unsa naman yung DepEd? Grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, magbinisaya. Atong ipa-eskwela atong anak para mag-in-English. Ngano naman yung tudluan magbinisaya? And that's our curriculum. Why? Kay ang bata, lisod mo dito tag in-English o Tagalog, wagay siya kasabot siyang kaugalingong language. No, nang first, the L1, L2, L3. L1 is the mother tongue. Kung subana ka, subanin ka, i-preserve inyong language. So, the language of the subanin nowadays is dying according to the survey. Dying na daw din, sayang nga mawala ang lingwahe sa mga subano-subana. So, kung kinsa ninyo diri makamao ana, i-preserve, ayaw ikaulaw. Ang ato bang nakita, kaning mga subanin, maulaw silang language sa istorya. No, kada to mga helper, bitaw nga subanin, mag-ininsik sila sa kusina, na atang hilom. Nga, kanindot ana, lupig na kanila. Sila, kamao mo Bisaya, subanin, English, Tagalog, upat ila. Ako, tunuran yun ako ah. And very hard to learn their language. So kaya nga, mao nang gisugod ta og mother tongue. Ang problema, ang teacher, saan man pag-continue ni nga teacher, di man ka maungusurel subanin. So ang nangyari ngayon, yung sa Muslim area, during our monitoring, teacher are not Muslims. So they cannot speak. And the learners are Muslims. So nila ito pagkasanabot. Di na po, kabasa. So nagyapon. Tagaan na po nagsolusyon sa DepEd mamaya. So, that's it, huh? The DepEd is trying, we from the DepEd, we are trying our best to cater all types of learners, learners with different intelligence, learners with different religion, learners with different everything. Lain-lain mo kita ni. But we are trying to embrace all these things. Kaya nga, teachers are sent to trainings to learn the different approaches, the different teaching strategies, just to fit in the needs of the young learners. So, mga bata, kamong mga graduates, I have to challenge you to continue your studies. Don't stop. Dream high, believe in your dream with hard work. You have to strive hard. Kaya sige na po kang pangambisyon, wapog kay lihok, ito na nato maangkon. So, please, aim high, continue, finish your studies until college, until you become, because your task in this world is to serve the next generation. To the parents, I know you are so happy. I really feel what you feel now because this is the stepping stone for the next success. Kung di po mag-graduate elementary, sa pagkatong high school. So, dapat pasalamatan nato ni sila karon sa ilang achievement. So, continue to support your children, support their needs, because I'm sure na in the future, if your children will become proficient, promise, that will change your way of living. ang makapaotro sa atong panginabuhi karon kun lisod kaayo ta kaning atong mga anak. Kay kung mahuman lang sa eskwela, bato na po nagkasing-kasing ang anak na di po mutabang sa naglisod nga ginikanan. No? So, ang ginikanan, ato sa ni silang antusan ang suporta karon. To the teachers, school administrators are around, continue your usual takugi. Your commitment, your dedication to teach these young children. Please mold them holistically. So once again, good afternoon. Congratulations to all of us.